In this video, I'll guide you through how to verify a recovery email in Protonmail. Setting up and verifying a recovery email is really important because it gives you a secure way to regain access to your account if you ever forget your password or get locked out. I'll walk you through each step slowly and clearly so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open your web browser and go to protonmail.com. Make sure you're on the official Protonmail website and not a lookalike page. Once the site loads, sign into your account if you aren't already logged in. After you're signed in, look toward the top right corner of the page. You'll see a small gear icon, which represents your settings. This is where Protonmail keeps all the options for customizing and securing your account. Go ahead and click that gear icon. When the settings menu opens, you may see a few quick options at first. Instead of staying in the simplified view, you'll want to open the full settings area so you can access the recovery options. Look for the option that says all settings and click on that. This will take you to the main settings dashboard where everything is organized in sections along the side. On the left-hand side, you should now see a list of categories. Find and click on the one labeled Recovery. This is the section dedicated to helping you get back into your account if you lose access in the future. Taking a moment to set this up properly now can save you a lot of trouble later. Within the recovery section, look for the field where you can enter a recovery email address. This should be an email account you can reliably access, and ideally one that is secure and not shared with anyone else. Carefully type in the email address you want to use for recovery. Double check it for typos because if one character is wrong, you won't receive the verification email and you won't be able to use it to recover your account. Once you've entered the correct recovery email address, click the Save button. This tells Protonmail to store that address as your recovery contact. You might see a brief confirmation message on the screen letting you know that the changes have been saved. After saving, you'll see an option to authenticate or verify that recovery email. Click on Authenticate. What this does is trigger Protonmail to send a verification message to the email address you just entered. This step ensures that you actually own and can access that email account, which is an important security check. Now open a new tab or window and log into the inbox of that recovery email account. Look for a new message from Protonmail. If you don't see it right away, wait a few moments and then refresh your inbox. Be sure to also check your spam or junk folder just in case it's been filtered incorrectly. When you locate the email from Protonmail, open it and follow the instructions inside to verify your address. Usually this involves clicking a verification link. After you click that link, your recovery email will be confirmed and linked to your Protonmail account. That's all there is to it. You've now successfully set and verified a recovery email in Protonmail, giving yourself a safer and more reliable way to regain access if you ever need it.